Welcome back to the 360-degree Data Podcast. If you've been hearing about AI everywhere but still feel like you've missed the train, let me reassure you, you haven't. Many people think they need to learn programming or become data scientists before they can use AI. The truth is, you don't. You just need a roadmap. So in today's episode, I'll walk you through a practical 30-day plan to help anyone from students and professionals to business owners become comfortable using AI in everyday life. Week 1, understand what AI really is. Before using AI, understand what it actually is. AI isn't magic. It's not human intelligence. It's software trained to recognize patterns, generate content, and help solve problems. Start by experimenting with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Don't worry about writing perfect prompts. Just ask simple questions like, explain cloud computing as if I'm 10 years old, or summarize this email, or help me plan a holiday. The goal isn't productivity yet. It's confidence. Spend just 15 minutes each day talking to AI. Treat it like learning a new colleague rather than a new piece of software. Week 2, using AI every day. Now, start integrating AI into your daily routine. Use it to write emails, summarize articles, brainstorm ideas, improve presentations, create meeting notes, explain unfamiliar topics. Here's something important. Don't ask AI to do everything. Ask it to help you think better. For example, instead of saying, write my presentation, try saying, give me 3 different ways to explain this idea to senior executives. You'll quickly discover that better questions lead to better answers. Week 3, learning the major AI tools. Now, broaden your toolkit. Different AI tools have different strengths. For example, ChatGPT is excellent for general reasoning and writing. Claude is particularly strong at analyzing long documents. Gemini integrates well with Google's ecosystem. Microsoft Copilot works naturally inside Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You don't need to master every tool. Choose 1 or 2 that fit your work and become comfortable with them. The goal is not collecting AI tools. It's building useful habits. Week 4, thinking beyond chatbots. In your final week, begin exploring what AI can really do. Learn about concepts like AI agents, automation, image generation, coding assistance, voice AI. You don't need deep technical knowledge. Just understand the possibilities. Start asking yourself, what repetitive task do I do every day? Could AI help me? This is where AI moves from being interesting to becoming genuinely valuable. So as I close, if you remember just one thing from today's episode, let it be this. You don't become AI ready by reading hundreds of articles. You become AI ready by using it consistently. 15 minutes a day, 1 month, small steps. That's all it takes to build confidence and start unlocking the benefits of AI. Thanks for listening to 360 Degrees Data Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for more practical conversation about AI, data, leadership, and the future of work. I'll see you in the next episode.